Hello, Ruben. Hope you're well. Hey, I just wanted to, oh, sorry. Hope you had a good Thanksgiving too. Hey, I thought I'd make a video because that would be a little bit better to show you where the links are. So I sent you a link for the website, but what you can also do is just click on, Realidades and then Realidades Tres and then do audio files. You can do that into Google and then just click on that too. And then you can go to the school website there. Go there, and then you go to level 3, and then here you go. And these are all the audio file links that you'll need. Audio files, audio files. Now sometimes in the book it might not match up with what you need to do in the course. So we might be on chapter 5, let's say, and then they want you to do something in chapter 3 in the textbook. Just go with it. This is a textbook website, so if you're working in chapter 3 of the textbook, you're going to go here to audio files, click here, and then you'll go, there's no audio file, so you're going to choose something else. Let's try, all right, this is fun. Let's go here. Okay, there they are. So for chapter 3, you have to go to Primera Vista to find the audio files. So you can do maybe activity 1, and then here it is. And I can hear it, but you might not hear it because I have my headset on. So, but it's working. Now, if it's not working on your computer for some reason, then you can use your parents' computer, or you can use a different computer, or you can also use a cell phone. It works great on cell phones. It's worked on my current cell phone and on a past cell phone, so it works great there. And so I hope this helps, and have a great day. Thanks, Ruben.